Next we have Mr. Raj Kumar Maharajan, President, Quest, Nepal. I apologize for any mispronunciation. Mr. Raj Kumar Maharajan, President, Quest, Nepal.
So in the concluding remark, I will just conclude it. But before that, I request Raj Kumar साहब, बहुत फेमस है नेपाल के अंदर, राजकुमार महाजन जी. Am I right or wrong? Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Purohit. I am very much agree with most of the panelists over here that I want to start frequently saying statement is children are very soft and raw soil whom can be molded as we need. Is it right or wrong, this statement? So, change. Sentence Dr. Purohit told today is change. He was tossed with the word change. Now, first of all, we have to change this statement. Because this statement always guides us for brainwashing in the name of education. Not fostering them, not developing them. So what happening nowadays is injecting the knowledge is called education. And we are trying to transplant what kind of child we need in the future, what kind of human resource we need, what kind of people we need. So that is not the education, that is not the teaching, that is a kind of schooling, but it is really brainwashing. So we have to change. So what can we do? So instead of teaching, why can't we foster or developing and let them germinate? Let them germinate. They are not the soil, they are the seed which can germinate by themselves and spread by themselves, and at last they can give the fruit to the world. So I am very much agree with Mr. Nirajan Adhikari that one approach which we are here in the forum of that approach, that students' quality circles. All the answer of the question is in one approach, that is SQC approach. The SQC approach, especially with the four-prong approach, I am the very lucky student of Professor Dinesh Chavagai. So I want to honor to him that. So four-prong approach, SQC is actually personality first. It is student focused, for the students, by the student. And I learn from him. So four-prong approach is that collaborative advantage we can get through SQC. And continual improvement, change, improve, continual improvement. And factual transparency is another important part, that inner actualization. As Dr. Jasbir Kaur asked the question, emotional, that means artificial intelligence, right? Everyone is following the artificial intelligence nowadays, but is somebody thinking that where is the heart? Artificial intelligence, it is very much important to develop. That means materialistic development. And it leads to the robotism everywhere. And if there is no heart, how can we talk about the spirit? So this is the point. SQC itself, even it can give the platform to talk the spirit and foster. So at last, not the least, I want to tell that present education system, we are creating the number of failures, that is the ignorant failure. And previously, as the raw material we are bringing in the education industry, they are the innocent failure. They don't know what to do, how to do, when to do. They don't know, they are innocent. so that they become failure. So what we teach, what we inject, all the knowledge that they become ignorant and they don't do. They know what to do, but they never do. So that they again become failure. So let's not be the industrialist to produce that kind of ignorant failure. So just I want to show this. This is the book. For the first time in the world, this is the curricular book taught in Nepal from 2013. This is the book of grade 6. So I also would like to add and support to Mr. Nirajan Adhikari. Let's go through SQC in the classroom to develop for future generation. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajkumar Mahajan Sahab. You rightly said, because SQC is the self-learning and just develop the personalities. By just a few conclusion remarks which I am just got from all of you, the panel discussion.
A beautiful moment on display on the stage. Luminary